Here's a quick 2-minute video on how to do this particular question. So you're given this question, w minus 5, and the whole thing is squared. So we can rewrite that as w minus 5 times w minus 5, both in brackets. Now how do we expand this? So we know the regular distributive law of expanding. So if I have, let's say 5 times w minus 5, for example. Okay, in this case, all we got to do is multiply the numbers from the outside into the numbers on the inside. So 5 times w is equal to 5w, and then 5 times a minus 5, that'll be minus 25. Okay, we know this, so we know how to expand this. But however, what if we have w minus 5 times w minus 5? Well, in this case, we just have to multiply both of the numbers in here into these one separately. So here's what we do. We start with the first term, okay, and we just multiply it into these two numbers inside the second bracket, like this. And then, after you're done with that, then we're going to use the second term, which is a minus 5. And we multiply into the two numbers as well. So let me do that separately and you'll see what's actually happening. Okay, so when we do this, we're going to say w times it by w. So we say w times w, and then we say w times minus 5, that's minus 5w. And then, now that we're done with that, we're going to do the next part, which is we use the second term, which is not minus 5. Now we multiply this also into the brackets here. So minus 5 times w, that's minus 5w, right? And then minus 5 times a minus 5. So that'll be minus times minus is a plus, so that's plus 25. Now all we got to do is just simplify this. Now w times w is just w squared minus 5w and then minus another 5w. These are like terms, so we can actually process this. So what's minus 5 minus 5? That'll be minus 10. So this is going to turn into minus 10w. And then we have the last number, which is plus 25. And that's how we get our answer. So imagine if we have a different one. Let's say I have x plus with 3, for example, and I want to square this. How would I do this? Okay, so we rewrite this as x plus 3 times x plus 3. And then again, we're just going to multiply it in, just like what we did in this one here. Okay. Now, there's a reason we do it this way. There's a reason why we do this, and then this, and then this, and then this. There's a reason. But I won't be explaining it in this quick tutorial. Okay. This is a year 9, year 10 topic. So it's pretty complicated to explain it right now. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to expand it just like how we did in this previous one. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the first term into the brackets there. Okay, so let's do that. So x times x, so that'll be x squared. Okay, so that's what I did with the first one, right? And then x, whoops, and then x times a positive 3, that's positive 3x. And now we have a positive 3 times it by x, that's actually let me just rewrite that. That's so this is a positive 3 times it by x, so that's another plus 3x, and then a positive 3 times a positive 3, so that's positive 9. So now let's simplify this. You got x squared. Now plus 3x and plus 3x, these are like terms. So that means plus 3 is plus 6, so that's plus 6x, and then plus 9. Okay, so this is our actual answer, we can't simplify this any further because these are all non-like terms. You can't add any of these, so you have to leave the answer as it is. Okay, hope that helps.